Alright, here's the example of what we're going to do today. You can hear that buzzer. We're going to change out to this tone. So much better. Alright, so it's pretty simple on what you gotta do, on what panels to remove. You're gonna first have to, or want to remove the cover around the steering wheel, this plastic piece right here. There's a few screws underneath, just undo them, tilt the whole entire steering column up, and then you can just lower out this plastic piece, do the opposite for the top, lower the steering wheel, and just slide off the top piece of the steering column. So we're just removing those two plastic pieces, pretty simple. And now you want to do is the same thing on the main piece, the main bottom plastic panel right here. There's 4 screws in total, I think, but there's one down here on the left lower side, right lower side, one up above these panels where the fog lights would be. There's just one right up here, and then on the other side, right below the keys, just right under here. Just undo those, and there's one other metal sheet protector plate underneath that. I think it's just 4 10mm bolts. Just undo them, really simple, not hard. It's not a really complicated process, but you just have to remove these covers right down here to get to the buzzer that is up in this corner right here. Alright, tried to ignore all the wiring here, but I have removed all the plastic trim and metal kicker plate, I don't know what you call it, up here. It just takes a few 10mm bolts and then a few screws. Everything comes out pretty easily. But up here, oh, there's a light. Up in here is this, well, it says relay seatbelt warning. And all it is a door chime. It's up in there. There's a clip up here. There's a clip up there. Not really a clip. The entire box sits on like a metal tongue, and it kind of clips onto this metal tongue up there. You can take some screwdrivers up on the side on it and try to remove it. It takes a little bit of persuasion, but it's not too difficult to get out. Just remember to undo the clip, take it out, and place it. Alright, here are the 2 parts that I got. This is the seat belt relay warning. I got off the Previa, and here's the normal buzzer on the MR2 that just whines. Now I was going to do a quick modification on here. We're going to make it a little bit quieter because it seemed a little bit loud in the car. So there's 2 tabs on each side of this, here and on the other side there. You just got to undo them. Take you can use your fingernail or a screwdriver, just pry them up, and just pop this off. And you can just slide it out pretty easily. Now I'm just going to take a piece of tape just over the warning, or the speaker, I guess, and that silences a little bit more. And hopefully it'll be quiet in the MR2 because it's a small car, so it shouldn't be too loud like a minivan, I guess. So I just put a piece of tape on there. We just put it back together. Yep. Pretty good. Alright, so I tried this out with the tape and it seemed a little bit too quiet. So what I did was just take a screwdriver and poke a small hole into the tape just to make it a little bit louder because it was just a little bit too quiet for me outside the car. So hopefully this will be a little bit better with noise.